Why PM Modi believes Indian Air Force can deliver even better results with this fighter plane. Coming to the importance, after the Indian Air Force struck a Jaish-e-Mohammed camp in Balakot, about 80 kilometers from the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Modi said Rafale fighter could have delivered even better results. His reference was apparently to the sheath of Rafale, an air dominance aircraft manufactured by the French Dassault Aviation. Instead, the Indian Air Force deployed a dozen Mirage 2000 aircraft made by the same company to hit the target. The Rafale was a medium multi-rolled combat aircraft that is set to boost India's air dominance exponentially. Currently safeguarded by the fighter jets like Russia-made Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and MiG-29, along with the French Mirage 2000 and indigenously built Hull Tejas. Here's a look at the history and specification of Dassault Rafale to understand what makes this fighter jet so special for the Indian Air Force and why it could have delivered even better results in a strike like Balakot. Now coming to the origin of Rafale. Rafale is a French word meaning gust of wind and is a French origin delta-winged twin-engine multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured and designed by Dassault Aviation. The initial requirement of Rafale came into light in mid-1970s when both the French Air Force and Navy expressed a requirement for a new generation of fighters. In early 80s, Dassault was formally announced to build aircraft for the French government and testing started in 1991. The production of the first aircraft series started in late 1992 but was suspended in 1995 due to the political and economic uncertainty. The production was restarted in 1997 after an initial order of 48 aircraft was placed by the Ministry of Defence, followed by the further order of 59 Rafale in 2004 and 60 aircrafts in 2009. The Dassault Rafale has been combat proven and has actively taken part in many wars in the last 13 years. From 2006 to 2011, French Air Force and Navy Rafale fighters were engaged in countless combat missions in Afghanistan, where they demonstrated a high proficiency. In 2011, French Air Force and French Navy Rafale fighters were engaged in coalition operations over Libya. They were the first fighters to operate over Benghazi and Tripoli and carried out the whole spectrum of mission. French Air Force Rafale had taken a leading role in Mali, helping destroy enemy infrastructure and support friendly troops in contact. More recently, Rafales were engaged in support of peacekeeping operations in Central African Republic and as a part of worldwide international coalition in Iraq. India and Rafale deal. Though the India to induct additional fighter jets in the IAF has been since 2001. The actual process began in 2007. The current IAF fleet largely consists of heavy and lightweight combat aircrafts. So the defense minister considered bringing in intermediate medium-weight fighter jets. The Defense Acquisition Council, headed by then Defense Minister A.K. Anthony, approved the request for proposal to buy 126 aircrafts in August 2007. The kick started the bidding process. The plan included acquiring 126 aircrafts, 18 of them fly-away condition and rest of them made in India in the Hindustan Aeronautic Facility under the transfer of technology. Dassault's Rafale was not only the India's only choice, as several international aviation manufacturers expressed interest upon knowing the Indian government's Mammoth plan to revamp its Air Force fleet by introducing MMRCS. 6 renowned Air Force aircraft manufacturers completed to back the contract of 126 fighter jets, which was touted to be the largest ever defense procurement deal of India. The initial bidders were Lockheed Martin F-16, Boeing's FY-18S, Eurofighter Typhoons, Russia's MiG-35, Sweden's Saab's Gripen and Dassault's Rafale. All aircraft was tested by the IAF and after careful analysis on the bids, 2 of them Eurofighters and Rafale were shortlisted. Dassault bagged the contract to provide 126 fighter jet as it was the lowest bidder and the aircraft was said to be easy to maintain. After the Rafale won the contract, the Indian side and the Dassault started negotiation in 2012. Though the initial plan was to buy 126 jets, India scaled it down to 36, that too in ready condition. The first squadron of the Rafale are set to join the IAF fleet by 2019. Coming to the specification, the Rafale is a modern fighter jet known for its agility, speed, weapon holding capacity and attack capability. The Dassault Rafale has a delta wing design and is capable to G forces as high as 11 G in case of emergency. The Rafale is available in both single and dual seating cabin. India ordered 28 single and 8 dual seater Rafale. The Rafale is 15 0.27 meter long and a swing span of 10.80 meters. The empty weight of Rafale ranges from 9,900 kg to 10,600 kg depending on the variant, and the maximum takeoff weight is 24,500 kg. The Rafale is powered by two SNE CMA M88 engines, each capable of providing up to 80 kilonewtons of dry thrust and 75 kilonewtons with afterburners. The engine pushed the Rafale to attain a high speed of 1.8 Mach and a range of more than 3,700 kilometers with 3 drop tanks. Dassault has also loaded the Rafale with a Martin Baker Mark 16F00 ejection seat, capable of operation at 0 speed and 0 altitude. In terms of weapon, the Rafale can be equipped with air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles and air-to-surface missiles along with nuclear weapons. For avionics, the Rafale is also equipped with AESC radar, Spectra electronic warfare system and IR-ST system. So this is all about Rafale jet. Thank you for watching.